Hey guys, we're back working on the 1086. This is just going to be a real short, quick video. I don't know if I talked about it in any of the others or not, but when I was testing things like the windshield wiper and the blower motor, things that are up in the top of the cab, I noticed that none of them were getting power. So I followed that back through a connector and up under the dash to the cab solenoid, and the cab solenoid is not working. So we're going to go ahead and replace that cab solenoid quick. I'll show you which one we're working with here. It's going to be this solenoid right down here, and basically what that does is when you turn the key on, that's going to give power to different accessory things like the blower motor and the wipers and stuff like that. Things that require higher amperages that you don't want to pass through your key switch, and so those are really common on tractors, and so had one on hand at the shop, so we're just going to go ahead and replace that quick. And that should get our blower motor working. I do have to replace the fan switch as well, and I have that, so we'll probably get that done tonight yet. But my goal tonight is to get everything wrapped up under the plate here, get the starter back in, get everything hooked back up, and get that floor plate back in. But we'll take you along for the ride. We got a few other things to do in the meantime.